What's going on? Just wanted to drop a little message. Hey, when you have free time and you're doing other things and you see some locations that you drive by that you think may be possibly good prospects for cleaning, make sure that you have readily available your card or a postcard or a business card or something like that you can go ahead and do some marketing. You can just take them and stick them in the door. Do not put them in the mailbox. Apparently it's against the law to go into their mailboxes, so we just stick them in the door, stick them under the door, on the door, wherever we can. Sometimes it won't go through, like for instance here, we'll just stick it right on through and hopefully somebody will see it. Just something to pass the time. Right now I'm just waiting for one of my subcontractors to finish a job. So while I got some free time, I'm just going ahead and trying to make some contact with some potential clients. So use your time wisely.